Hello practitioners, hello everyone. I hope you are doing well and welcome to Learning with Princess Aisha. If you're new to my channel, welcome on board. And on this channel, we support practitioners and with ideas on how they can support children's learning and development holistically pertaining to the Eyfs statutory educational program, pardon me. So today we're going to focus on mathematics, which is part of one of the areas within the seven areas of children's learning. Okay, so the Eyfs statutory educational program wants practitioners or adults to help children develop a strong grounding in numbers, which is essential to support children's development and to help in the building blocks, which is necessary for building blocks to excel, that will help children to excel mathematically. And children should be able to count confidently. In order to do so, they will need to be supported, guided by adults or practitioners, either within the home setting, which can also be extended within the learning setting or learning environment. So children should be supported to count confidently, develop a good understanding, a good and a deep understanding of numbers from 0 to 10. So using number songs, using finger rhymes, such as 5 little ducks, 10 green bottles hanging on the wall, and things like that. And also, children should be supported to identify the relationship between them as well as the patterns within those highlighted numbers. Example, children can also be children, but children, toddlers and babies should be encouraged to learn to climb and squeeze themselves into different types of spaces, such as going through a tunnel. So babies, toddlers can be encouraged to go through the tunnel. So can you squeeze yourself like a ball through the tunnel? So, ball is a circular shape, so it's all under the shapes and sizes. I wonder, and you can use expressions such as, I wonder how long this tunnel is. I wonder, so length, wonder how long this tunnel is. I wonder how wide or how narrow this tunnel is. Similarly, children can also be supported to notice patterns and arrange things in patterns. So using materials such as gingham fabrics. Gingham is a type of fabric that has squares. The patterns are in squares. So again, helping children identify shapes. So I wonder what pattern or what shape is in this fabric. So again, different patterns. Also, another pattern that comes or fabric that comes into mind is polka dot fabric, with polka dots. The children will be able to identify that the dots are circular in shape. So another great opportunity to help them mathematically is to help to encourage children to count the number of dots within the fabric. Again, so they are not only identifying the patterns in the fabric, but they are also counting. So we are reinforcing the repetition for them to continue repeating expressions such as patterns repeating the counting of numbers from 0 to 10. That will reinforce their learning and their deep understanding and grounding on numbers. So, having said that, I do have a couple of videos on numbers, so both in English and in French. I will place a link in the description below so that you can have a look at it. So to support the channel, please kindly subscribe. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. However, before we go, we're gonna briefly talk about some shapes, colors and shapes. That's also a good way of helping children. So this is a resource that can assist in children's learning and overall development. So colors and shapes. So a good way of also doing it is using resources that are bright in colors. So, you know, children like bright stuff that attracts their attention. Their main purpose is to grasp the attention of the child, thereby, you know, ensuring that they stay tuned into the direction of the adult. They are paying rapt attention to whatever is being communicated to them. Therefore, they are more likely to understand or to learn whatever is being conveyed to them. So, this is a rectangle. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a circle, so a blue circle. So green rectangle, red square, orange triangle, blue circle. Let's count how many sides this has. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an eight-sided shape, or yeah, it's an octagon. So this is an octagon, a pink octagon, and that's a star. That's a star. So 5-sided star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's a yellow star. So, or if you want the children to be very well involved, say, I wonder what shape this is. So maybe say, oh, I know. Maybe point their finger, say, okay, can you tell us? And say, it's a star. I wonder what song we can sing about stars. Do you know? So maybe they'll say, oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star. And then maybe you can do a little song around that to get all the children involved. So I wonder what color this star is. So they might say yellow. And again, you might go further by saying, I wonder when do we see stars? Which time of the what time of the day do we see stars? Perhaps they might not know. So you say the stars come out at night. So, you know, again, you can use the moon. The moon also gives us light at night. So during the day, the sun gives us light during the day. And then at night, it becomes dark. Therefore, the moon comes in place of the sun to give us light. And also, we can see the stars in the sky. So that's just by the way. And then this is a pentagon because it's a 5-sided. So it's 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the purple shape is a pentagon. Yes. And this is an hold on. This is an octagon. And this is a decagon. Decagon is a 10-sided. It's a 10-sided shape. So it's 10-sided. So that is it. So again, maybe they might not know, it's a bit advanced, But there may be something like rectangle, green rectangle, red square, orange triangle, circle, and maybe a star will be much more appropriate. So these are some of examples of helping children to identify shapes, spaces mathematically. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. As I said before, I think I'm repeating myself again. So please kindly give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and press on the one that says, on the bell that says all. So all, which means that any video I upload, you'll be the first to get hold of. And yeah, you will not miss out. And don't forget to share the video. Until then, have a good day and help your little one keep learning, because learning is the key to development and to greater heights. Until then, it's a goodbye from Princess Aisha. Bye.